CIS lab. So we are going to perform today determination of pure compound using mass spectrometry using direct infusion method.
Firstly, we will take caffeine standard, and then we measure it 0.0010 G, and then take it in fresh test tube, and add ethanol to it, and then we mix it. After that, we take the standard out. Then we will open LTQ Tunner software. After that, we will click on System Pump option and set the flow rate to 100. And the volume should be 500 microliter, and then click OK. And then we can see the pre-wash is happening, and then we have to check it via positive and negative ionization. After pre-wash is completed, we have to take the syringe out and pour out the excess material, and then fill the syringe with caffeine standard.
Then we will take the standard via Hamilton syringe and then put it in syringe holder and then connect it through the 6 port and connect other end through the syringe.
Then run the standard and wait for the peak after and follow the instructions as shown in video. Firstly, click on Define Scan and select the last mass to 250, and then click on Apply and then OK. After that, we can see that approximately 195 peak is coming, then it confirms there is presence of caffeine in it.
Done my internship from CIF in PIT Mishra. So this was the required procedure for the determination of M by Z of pure compound by direct infusion method. In this, we have determined the mass of caffeine. The